Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn exercise 6 from the chapter fraction. In this exercise we are going to learn how to subtract the given fractions. Look at the denominators, children, 9 and 9. So if the denominators are equal, we know that the given fractions are like fraction. So we are going to learn how to subtract the like fractions in this exercise. So here the question is 6 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So I have told you already, if the denominators are same, the denominator remains the same and you have to subtract only the numerators. Here the numerators are 6 and 1. So subtract the numerators 6 and 1, you will get 5. So the answer is 5 by 9. So if you subtract the like fractions 6 by 9 and 1 by 9, you will get 5 by 9. So the answer 6 by 9 minus 1 by 9 equals 5 by 9. This is the answer. So next question, the like fractions are 7 by 15 minus 2 by 15. So we are going to subtract only the numerators and the denominator remains the same. 15 is the denominator and the numerators are 7 and 2. So now subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is the numerator, 15 is the denominator. So the answer is 5 by 15. Children, can you find the common factor for the term numerator and the denominator? That means, can you find the common factor for the numbers 5 and 15? Yes, the common factor is 5. So we can cancel these terms by using 5 times table. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So we can find the simplest form of a fraction if we have a common factor. So here the answer is 1 by 3. So let us write the answer. 7 by 15 minus 2 by 15 equals 1 by 3. After finding the simplest term, our answer is 1 by 3. Let us move to the next question. 5 by 11 minus 1 by 11. So we are going to subtract only the numerator because the denominators are same. So subtract 5 and 1 and the denominator remains the same, that is 11. So subtract 5 and 1. What will you get if you subtract 5 and 1? It is 4. So numerator is 4 and the denominator is 11. So the answer is 4 by 11. If you subtract the like fractions, 5 by 11 and 1 by 11 is 4 by 11. So is this clear, children, how to subtract the like fractions? Yes. Now we will move to the next question. It is a word problem. Shama had 3 by 4 kilogram of tomatoes. So she had 3 by 4 kilogram of tomatoes and she used 1 by 4 kilogram in cooking in vegetable. So when she cooked, she used 1 by 4 kilogram of tomatoes. How much tomatoes are left? We want to find out the fraction of tomatoes are left. So here left is the clue word of subtraction. Left is the clue word of subtraction. So let us write the statement, then we will find out the answer. So first statement, fraction of tomatoes she had. So she had 3/4 kilogram. And the next statement, which is she used. Fraction of tomatoes she used. So first statement, which she had, and the second statement, which she used. So she used 1/4 kilogram of tomatoes. So we want to find out the fraction of tomatoes left. Fraction of tomatoes left. So subtract the given fractions, that is 3/4 minus 1/4 kilogram. Here the unit is common, so we can write in common. Now we are going to subtract only the numerator because the denominators are same. Here the fractions are like fractions. So subtract 3 and 1. What will you get if you subtract 3 and 1? It is 2. 2/4 kilogram. Look at the fraction, children. The numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4. Can we have the common factor for these terms, for 2 and 4? Yes, we have a common factor. It is 2. So I am going to cancel these terms using 2 times table. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So how much tomatoes are left? Yes, 1/2, that is half kilogram tomatoes are left. So let us write the answer. Fraction of tomatoes left equal 1/2 kilogram, that is half kilogram. So if you subtract the fractions 3/4 and 1/4, we'll get 2/4 kilogram, and we have a common factor for 2 and 4, it is 2. So if you cancel the terms by using 2 times table, you will get 1/2. So fraction of tomatoes left equals 1/2 kilogram. So the next question, Deepa has read 1/4 of a book. So she has a book and she read 1/4 of a book. What fraction of the book does she still have to read? Listen, children, here the fraction is given for only for the pages which she read. We want to find out the pages she have to read. So we need to find the fraction of a whole book. We know that if the denominator is given, we can find out the fraction for a whole easily. Here the denominator is 4. So listen, here hint also given. The whole book is equal 1. Denominator is given as 4. That means a book is divided into 4 equal parts. If a denominator is 4, then the numerator also 4 in a whole. So now let us find the answer. Fraction of a whole book. that is 4 by 4. And the fraction of pages which she read is 1 by 4. Fraction of a book she read, that is 1 by 4. So from 4 by 4 she has read 1 by 4 of the book. Now let us find the fraction of a book she has to read. Fraction of a book have to read, that is subtract the given fractions. The fractions are 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are same, that is the fractions are like fractions. So subtract only the numerators, 4 minus 1, and the denominator remains the same. So subtract 4 and 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 and the denominator is 4. So she has to read 3 by 4 of a book. Let us write the answer. Fraction of a book have to read, that is equal 3 by 4. So when like fractions are given, you have to subtract only the numerator and the denominator remains the same. Is the concept clear, children? Today we have learned how to subtract the given like fractions. So I hope the concept is clear. We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.